Washington State University, number 11,
Hey, listen, man, I got a big announcement. You heard? Hey, listen. If this is your very first time trading live with us, if this is your very first live trading session, or this is your first session back after a long time, I got a big announcement. You heard?
welcome to the party. Welcome to the party.
Hey, man, let's get straight into it, man.
Welcome to the party.
All right, man, let's not let another second go by. Let's get straight into it. You heard? Ronnie with the news, man. What we got, brother? All right, Ronnie said we got a... Ronnie said we got a... Rodney say we got a... Alright, Rodney say we got a red and orange at 10. What's today, 1-5? Red and orange, 10 a.m., dude. Alright, you know. You know. You know. This another set of ink, and I don't fuck with y'all. Sheesh. All right, man. Sheesh. The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. I remember that truck commercial with that damn song in the background. They used to spam that shit back in the day, right? The boys are back in town. Chevrolet Silverado, whatever the fuck brand it was. They spammed the shit out of that commercial, bro. What? How come my units risk USD says 10 and yours reads 140? Because I think because of this. Or I really don't know. I don't know. That shit don't mean nothing, so don't look at that. All that matters is when you press limit and you know how much you're risking and you know how much you're gonna make. That's all that. That's all this. Don't read this. Don't worry about all that. All right. So we're at this 15-minute order block up here. We're also at this 15-minute order block right here. So we're in a battle. Which one is going to be the real direction? Will it stop here and then go down and make new low and violate this guy? Or will we pop up? Or will we come down to this 1-minute order block down here, push higher up into this 5-minute, and then reject and then violate it? When they violate it, that'll be a bullish mango to go higher to take out this draw at the high. But before we get to the high, we can't ignore this block. So if we were to take a long, we would have to either like close partials, go to break even here, and start trailing our stop loss possibly here, because price can just reject here and then go down. Got it? So this 1-minute chart order block right here is being violated. Current trend right now is down. Right? This was the uptrend. Then when you have this change of character right here, and now we're working down. And then you have you have a mango right here. Then the mango right here activated it. Straight candle down with speed, because that's how it works. Failed order blocks blow through them with speed because there's liquidity and volume under and on top of each order block, depending on the direction. Because people's stop losses are there, meaning money, and the market moves for money. Oh, fuck. Alright, so if you're trading on your computer, if you're new or don't know or don't have these buttons on, you really need to have these buttons on, because sometimes I might just get in that bit. Right? So to turn this on, you go right click your chart, go to settings, click trading, and then turn on your buy sell buttons, and then click OK at the bottom. Alright, we got this bottom order block right here. So if price blows past this, we can be working lower, and then we'll target this drawn liquidity right here. So it'll kind of look like this. Right, technically you can really, the mango is like you really want it to be right on top of the order block, right? But it's not always that perfect, right? So that's kind of why I usually kind of do like the swing high kind of thing. So yeah, you'll get a better R to R right here, but what if it just wicks you out, boom, goes up, don't break the high, and then still goes down, right? That's just kind of where that comes in at. This is another set. So this is an IFVG right here. Candle close out. They could pull back, reject it, and then come down, and then bleed through this order block right here. Well, it'll be a failed order block because it came once, barely grazed it, pushed up, made new highs, came back to it, rejected. So if we come back to it and blow and come down and violate it, we're gonna blow through it. High probability of it blowing through it. Or we'll look for, so this is the plan for price to continue down. All right, so let's just start looking and see what that looks like. It'll be a stop order, risking 250 on 5 contracts, targeting 325. So if I wanted to risk more, you come over here, add 1, 300, add 1, 350, add 1, 400, targeting 520. Right? So now we can honestly, like, price could still stretch lower, right? You get what I'm saying? So we can really put our target here, and then when we get here, we can start trailing pretty aggressively with our stop loss. You get what I'm saying? 20. So I think I might be locking this trade in, risking 400. We'll try to get all the way down here, make it a 1 to 2. If not, it'll be like a 1 to 3 right here, 1 to 1.3. Risking 400, 840. All right, I'm gonna enter this. Right? So if price is going down, this is how we're gonna go down. Now if price wants to shoot up without activating us, that means it'll be a liquidity grab. Price pops up, comes to this 5-minute order block, probably rejects, fails, goes back up to the high, violates it, then we'll have a mango here, and then we'll do the same plan on the bullish side. Oh yeah, didn't I say that? So it can come in here into this IFVG and then reject back down. Right? So if it don't violate this order block, then there's no trade. If it violates this order block, we're going to be in a sell. So the difference between a sell stop, right? A stop and a limit order is a sell stop, price is going to blow through it, right? And then a buy stop, price is going to blow through it and put you in a buy. Sell stop, price is going to blow through it and put you in a sell, right? For a sell limit, you have to put it above price, and when it hits that limit order, it'll put you in a sell down. And then if you want to do a buy limit, price comes down to this limit, it activates you in a buy, and you want price to go up. Got it? So a limit is a reversal, stop is a trend, is the same direction. So this is kind of where you just chill and wait. Let it do its thing. But when we hit this line right here, hit this alert, that's when we'll move our stop loss and then start trailing pretty aggressively. Oh, jump rope? Hell no. Please explain mango setups. Don't tell me you just got on this stream, bro. You're literally about to make me mad, bro. Did you enter? Yes, I entered my sell stop. Yes. And I'm not going to keep explaining this shit, bro. Either going to watch me live, listen to me, and watch me and learn, or go to YouTube and watch the fucking replays of me actually explaining it. Or you can sit right here and listen to me explain it live. God damn, don't piss me off this morning, y'all. I'll be right back. Stay right here, bro. Don't move. And I'm not playing no music, so yeah, just sit here. Be right back. 2 seconds. Hey, man, we got 58 people on here. Where the fuck y'all come from? $58 people on here. Where the hell they come from, y'all? That's another set of tickets. Trigger, I don't... What y'all? Alright, we're back at the order block. It's gonna do it with speed, bro. It's gonna be one fat candle. One fat candle, broski. This shit might swipe all these lows for real. This the first low. This the second low. Really, this the third low down here. It might swipe all these shits for real. I just don't know how fast it's gonna do it, you know? I'm not muted. All right, price just broke out. Price is pulling back to this little order block kind of thing. This little order block kind of thing. That probably the next move down will get us in the trade. And yeah, I did. It's gonna be a straight boner. What the fuck? What a shitty feel, bro. Don't start that bullshit, bro. Damn. Alright, well, we're in the trade with a shitty feel. Oh my god. They are scamming, bro. Alright, I'm putting my target all the way down here at the 97s. And then we're going to trail it at each one of these levels. Stop loss is still the same. We got a shitty feel. Well, I got a shitty feel. That's that personal money bullshit, bro. Now I'm risking like 500 on this trade. All right, so y'all remember how we break the IFVGs, pull back to them, continue. We just broke these IFVGs, pull back to them. So now price should continue if we're going to go down. So now let's look at my stop loss placement. My stop loss placement is actually at the tip of this order block, right? So I low-key need to be above that order block, you know, like above it. But we might be safe and price will just shoot down now. We're looking at this 5-minute candle, new 5-minute candle in 1 second, boom. New 5-minute candle, so hopefully we just grab, touch, and then push down, right? But if it comes above this IFVG, bro, I'll have to put my stop loss above the top. Damn, what a shitty feel, though. We're supposed to be right here at break even. I mean, at entry right now, not fucking down 200. Monte said mine did that too. Sheesh. What a shitty feel, bro. I don't like that. What a shitty feel, broski. We're trying to get all the way down here, bro. That'll be a 1 to 4. That'll be nuts. That's a $2,000 trade if we can get all the way down here, clear out all these lows. It might take time. Got it? It might take time. So like right now, we will be up 200 versus at break even because of the field. That's my first time I ever had a bad feel on a mango, for real. All right, here we go. 5-minute candle. Fuck, bro. So if price pops up higher than this IFVG, I'm gonna be forced to move my stop loss above the order block. Because meaning I only want to move it because if it comes up, hits my stop, activates his order block, and then shoots the fuck down, I'm going to be looking crazy, you know? All right, I'm moving the stop. I'm just gonna go ahead and move it, bro. All right, so if we get full target, it'll be a 2.2. It'll be a fuck. It'll be the 1 and 2.4. So risking about 5. Well, hold on. I'm risking more now. So if I'm risking 5, it'll still be $1,000 trade if we can come down here. Well, it'll be like risking 7. Risking 650. And that's why you don't put all your eggs in one basket at first entry. You know what I'm saying? You kind of start low risk. Therefore, you can build a position, meaning enter again in drawdown, or extend your stop loss, and it won't break your account. You get what I'm saying? If you only have 800 left to risk, you shouldn't be risking 800 on the first little small stop loss. You should be risking only 200. And if you have to extend it another 150, you're only risking 350 out of your 800. You get what I'm saying? So I'm super low risk right now. Y'all know I'll do 10, 20, 30. Tight shit. But yeah, shitty field, but we in this bitch. Let's go. We in this guy. Mm-hmm. That's the speed I'm expecting out of a mango. That's how it works. That's how it works. That's how it works. Next alert would be this orange line. Right? So what we just do, we just took out these lows right now. Got it? Next, we take out these lows, and then we'll try to take out the full target. Let's see. So when we get to this one, I'll probably trail pretty aggressively. W245. Good work, Monte. Good work, baby. 600 times 2. That's it. Easy money. That's it. Great job. Y'all see this? I'm $600 up, $500 up with 8 contracts. Boom. At 600, you should be out. If you're on the combine, if you're on pro, shit like that. Got it? That's dope, y'all. Good job. W500 on pro. That's it, y'all. G Money, you're done. Guess what? 4 more days of that. Buffer pass, bud. 4 more days of that. 2,400 in your fucking bank account. Well, 2,000 in your bank account. Literally. Got it? Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's see how low we can go. Hey, we can go 4401s. 4401s. 4401s right here. 4401s. 4401s, right? So when we hit this next alert, that's when I'll start trailing pretty aggressively. Alright, so what can happen? Price can come back up to this 1 minute order block right there. It can, right? So just be aware. It can. Nothing to be scared of. Just know what price can and can't do. Alright, we're at the 1 minute order block now. Now, if I was trading by myself, for real talk, and I'm still holding this trade, I would get in 2 more contracts and make it 10. Because if it pops down and then goes back to my entry and then goes back down, I want to make more money. Right? So if I was by myself, I would add 2 more contracts. All right, let's see what this order block does. I added 2 more connies. Let's get it, brother. As long as you're cool with the risk. That's lit. As long as you're cool with the risk, brother. I'm holding the original stop loss on this trade now. Yeah, I see the view up. All right, so we passed this 1 minute order block. Boom, we still have this one up here. We are touching this 5 minute right here. Y'all see this? 5 minute block right there. So we're up into this 5 minute block. So price could come down. So my full invalidation area is original stop loss still. But yeah, grab lows, graze these lows, and then pop back up. That's pretty much what price does. My original plan was to start trailing when we got here. So we would have been out at like 500 profit damn near. Versus negative 300 right now, 400. Right now, this shit is not looking good. I'm not gonna hold you. The only thing that can save me is that 1 minute order block at the top. Other than that, I might hit stop at $600, bro. Crazy, right? Crazy, but that's on me though. I did not manage that trade on point. Y'all did. I seen y'all take it. So great job. Great job for y'all. Yeah, I think my stop's about to get hit, bro. Now we might be straight. I just want to be positive though. Positive but realistic. And I'm not gonna scale in. Fuck. Lost 100 last night, made it back with TP at your original take profit when you were mapping it out. So with 100 with you, good work. Good work, good job, Chuck.
And banging and banging. When a guy's banging you, you spin off of him, because if you can feel their body, come on.
18 points for Joker, only nugget in double figures. 69-59. Golden State shooting 67.
Hey, if we push higher though, my stop loss will be a mango entry. And I would target, I would literally target the 5 minute order block up there, and that would probably mitigate my loss. How much would I risk? The bottom of this order block. So I risk another 400. So if I were to get stopped out, I would have a pending order right there waiting. Targeting right there. My stop will be right there. That's if I get stopped out. Boom, I want it right there. Right? We can still get saves from this order block, but this is my plan if I get stopped out. Okay. So I'm going to enter that. All right. Hopefully I don't need to activate it. Hopefully it's not going to activate. But if it needs to, it's there. Got it? Okay, hold on. Now we got a 1 minute order block rejection and we got an IFVG close. This next candle close up under there and hold it. That could save me, bro. Could save me. Remember I said that 1 minute order block would be the one that'll save me at the top. Let's see, but my plan is set either way, right? I'm hands off. So now when we still original plan, when we get down to this low, because we didn't hit it yet, that'll be the next draw on liquidity, and then that's when I'll start trailing aggressively. Got it? Trailing aggressively to get out in profit. Right, now if we pop up, my first stop, this sell stop loss will get hit, and then I'll be in a buy with a $400 stop. Targeting 660 at this 5 minute order block. And we honestly probably could blow through it, right? And it could be $1,000 trade, so I don't know yet. Which will make it like $400 net on the day, even after the loss. All right, so we're back at this 1 minute order block. It's not a good sign for real. Because when it rejects and then comes back to it, high probability of it blowing through it. That's probably what's about to happen. So I'm about to get stopped out and re-entered in this long. Damn, Bruce. Trade management, bro. Trade management, bro. Trade management, bro. You even said it. You didn't even stick to it. I know, bro. I know, bro. I know. I know, bro. I know. I know, bro. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know, bro. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. Hey, I hear the Discord going off. So if you did cash out, if you did close profits in the live trading profits, go put what's it called? Live trading profits. You know, WPNL and the live trading profits. All right, I'm in the long now. So we just went from bearish mango to a bullish mango. Damn, broski. You gotta manage that way better, bro. And you know that shit, bro. 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 All right, hold on. My stop's got to be under this order block. It has to. Balls to the wall, I would re-enter something right here, like put another contract and it'll size me in the middle and then have a better, but I ain't gonna do that. I'm just gonna increase my stop. If it touches the order block and goes up and saves me, that's cool. But if not, then I'll hit stop loss. Damn, bro. Bruce, you tripping, bro. You tripping. Tripping, bro. Trade management, bro. Trade fucking management. Trade management, bro. Trade management. All right, I'm about to enter. I'm about to double my risk. I just doubled my risk. So now if I'm buying 16, I need to be selling 16. Let's see if we can get a boner. Fuck wrong with you, bro? Oh, so I gotta manually do it now. So since I manually edited it, I can't change the limit order. So if I'm buying 16, I gotta be selling 16 to get out. If I'm selling 16, I gotta get rid of this. I need to be selling 16. All right, I'm heavy risk on this trade now. Heavy risk. Heavy risk. Heavy risk on this trade now. All because I didn't manage my trade like a professional. All because I didn't manage my trade like a professional. Right? I want y'all to learn from my good and learn from my bad. Got it? Learn from my good and learn from my bad. Okay? 100% transparency. You're watching it. You're seeing it. 100% transparency. Bro, I lose my mind when I'm in drawdown, bro. I literally go bat crazy when I'm in drawdown. Learn from the good, learn from the bad, and just learn, broski. Just learn, dude. So price is approaching this 1 minute order block, bro. At this point, I don't think it's gonna do anything. Right? So I'm not gonna do anything here. Because I think we're gonna just blow through it, bro. And go to the higher time frame order block, which is the 5 minute. So let's just see, dude. I will put an alert there, I guess. I mean, not really. I'll put an alert at the midpoint. I mean, I'm not going to do anything at the alert, so. All because I didn't manage to trade like a professional, y'all. Y'all gotta understand, bro. Your decision making and trading is so important, bro. Because one fucking mistake, that just starts a spiral of bad shit. Because now, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Where's the stop loss and take, what? Take profit and stop loss tab? What do you mean? Usually on futures, you probably gotta, if you don't already set your limit with a stop loss and take profit, you gotta manually set your take profit and stop loss. So if you're in a buy, you have to manually set the same number or whatever number you want to close in profit. That number should be your limit order, right? So if you're buying, you need sales above, sell limits. When you're buying to get out at stop loss, you need sell stops up under. Got it? When you're selling, you need buys at the bottom to get out. When you're selling, you need buys at your stop loss to get out. Alright, so hopefully we hold this little order block right here. They just painted, right? New breaker structure. New BOS right here at this line. New order block candle grays. 1, 2. See my wick? 1, 2. These 2 wicks. 1, 2. 1, 2. So hopefully it'll stop there, pop up without coming down to this bottom order block and making me sweat. So hopefully we just get our straight push up, straight up to this 5-minute order block with no resistance, just straight boners. Straight boners, dude. All because I didn't manage that trade correctly. Bro, you gotta be hard on yourself, bro. But you gotta be hard on yourself and not do that shit again, though. You know? I really don't want to see that. Don't need to see that. Yeah, this is what we're trading. Alright, so let's go current interval only. Current interval only. Alright, so look at this 5-minute, bro. So this is technically a 5-minute mango. This trade is a 1 to 1.2. So y'all see how on the combine, anything over 600, bro, you're working too hard. How many times on the combine have you been up 600 on the day, closed it, or didn't close it, and then end up blowing your count, whether it's that day or it just ended up closing red on that day, even though you was up 600 floating or 600 closed? That means you're working too hard for your combine. You get what I'm saying? Now, if I was combine trading, that 580, 560, 570 would have been out, done, closed. You know what I'm saying? Just little shit like that. You're working too hard. Anything over 600 on a 50K account. Now, if you got a 150K account, the number is 1,200, 1,200. You get what I'm saying? W900 for the day. Gotta go to work. Good work, Bart. Good work, brother. Good work, Nolan. Make sure you do WPNL in the Discord, Nolan. Good job, broski. But me, on the other hand, not good job. Bad boy. Bad. Bad. God damn, you just gotta laugh at that shit sometimes. You ever did some dumb shit while trading on your account and then you just kind of just laugh at the shit? Like, you just laugh like, bro, what the fuck am I doing? You kind of just laugh that shit off, bro. Like, if not, you're gonna go crazy. 300 times 3 headed out for the day. Good job, Xena. Good work, good work, good work. Good work, good work, good work. Me, not good work. So far. Come on, go ahead and bone her up. We know what you're gonna do, bud. Hold this order block. Go ahead and bone her up. We know what you're gonna do. We already know you're gonna bone her up out of this order block. Like, bro. You're not fooling us, Gold. Then we're pulling back to this mango on the 5-minute chart. Man, I'll walk away from this shit and just let it work. I don't even want to see it. Just let it work. Turn all alerts off. Either stop or TP at this point. Hey, if this candle closes up, that'll be an IFVG trend direction. That's a good sign. That is a great sign. Yeah, no volume right now. When that shit kicks up, it's gonna be all the way up here. I don't care. As long as it don't come down here, bro. It can sit right here all fucking day, bro. As long as it go up here and not come here after this weight. I don't give a damn. What's that one real audio? I don't give a damn. It's like, but mom, I don't give a damn. Oh man, bro, I'm going back crazy in drawdown right now, bro. I don't like that shit. I'm just not used to it, bro. So, beautiful hold of this order block right here. Yes, beautiful hold. IFVG close here. Confirm close here. There's our boner candle up. We're officially in this 1-minute order block now. Yes, bro. Keep going. Keep going. We're trying to get up to this 5-minute order block. That's what we're trying to get up to. We're trying to get up to this 5-minute order block. And guess what? You saw that shit just flash up. When we cross over this gap right here and close above it, that'll be another IFVG on the 1-minute chart for price to push higher, broski. If you're in this trade, you're scared, you're in your pro account, I need you to start trailing your stop loss right now. Go ahead and start trailing it because it's at a point where it can just start coming down, you know? If you're on your pro or if you're scared, right? No risk, no Rari. No risk, no Rari. No risk, no Rari, team. All right, there's the midpoint of the order block. Look, this IFVG just closed. Boom. Now we should, boom, straight boner candle up off of the rejection of this 5-minute mango. Yes, bro. Everything is lining up, bro. It's crazy I didn't get out in profit down here. This would have been the second trade. We would be up 1,000 profit on the day. That's a difference on trade management, bro. Just trade management, bro. All right, my next alert will be at the invalidation of this order block, right? So boom, put an alert there. That's the next ding ding we'll hear. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, boy, let's go. Straight to TP, 5-minute order block. Let's go. Touch it, boy. Let's go. Touch it, boy. That's what I want. That's what I want. Bro, that alert late as fuck. Let's go. Keep pumping, baby. Keep pumping, baby. Keep pumping, baby. Keep pumping, baby. I know you want that 5-minute order block. I know you want that 5-minute order block up there. I know that's what you want. I know that's what you want up there, boy. I know that's what you want. Go and get it. 43.30 for what? 44.38s. We can easily go up to the 44.38s, but the plan is the plan. I'm sticking to it. 5-minute order block is my touch. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Give me that touch. Boom, 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 touch. I'm gonna just bring my stop loss under this order block right there. That's it, baby. Let's go. Push me up. Straight to the 5-minute. Remember, all these IFVGs in trend direction pretty much drove price higher. That's it, y'all. That's it. Simple shit. Simple shit. Right now, I'm floating $200 net, even after that loss. Right now. Let's go. Pop it up. Pop it up. Pop it up. Pop it up. Let's go, baby. Straight to TP. Let's go. I'm not touching this bitch. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Straight to TP, bro. Straight to TP. I had to take profit. Good job. Congratulations. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. We're going to touch that order block, though. We're going to touch that order block. We're going to touch that order block. We're going to touch that order block, okay? We're going to touch it. What did I say? Hold on. Oh God. Hey. Fuck gold. That's net 500 on the day, bro, after that dumbass decision. That's how you do it, boys. That's how you fucking do it, boys. That's a 1-3 banger after adjusting my stop loss under this order block, bro. What? That's how you do it, boys. Technically it's 2-0, but I'm gonna be real. I lost. Some of y'all won, so we'll call it 1-1. 1-1. I took one loss and I took one bigger win. You see why I scaled in? If I didn't scale in, I would still be down $200. But since I scaled in, increased my risk, and here it is, bro. I kind of wanted to trail. Like if this was my second trade, W's. Like if I would have closed profit the first one and closed profit the second one, or tomorrow, if I would have closed profit the first one, I would have you know me, I would have put an alert there and started trailing, and then we would have got a little bit more money up into this 5-minute order block. Got it? Little shit like that, y'all. Little shit like that. First day back. How we doing, family? We up. Let's go. 370 times 5. Everybody right now, WP&L in the district. That's all I ask. I'm going to come here and show up every single day, give y'all value, teach y'all shit every single day, show y'all how this shit's done. All I ask for y'all to put WP&L in the Zoom and then copy and paste and put that shit in the Discord. W mango setups. W, bro, do y'all understand? We just took a mango. These are 2 mangoes, boy. Everybody drop the mango emoji in the shit real quick, bro. Everybody drop mango emoji. I'm finna do a video. Fuck it. I'm finna do a video. Mangoes, mangoes, mangoes. Do a video. Everybody drop mangoes in the shit. Yeah, Gaston, you've been late, bro. Oh my God, boy, we just caught a banger live on session, boy. Mangoes in the chat, mangoes in the chat. We're trading the mango model, boy. And price is still busting out of the take profit, bro. Listen, if you want to trade live with us, bro, it's 44 people on here. We had 60 earlier. If you want to trade live with us, bro, it's only $150 a month. Join up at tradewithbruce.com. Let's go. Let's see how much the chat made. Let's see how much the chat made, bro. 166, 520, $500, 500 times 5, 2,500. Oh my God, 370 times 5, bro. Oh my God, $79, 4,740 for Lauren. Oh my God, let's go. 240. I was extra heavy, bro. That is how you do it, bro. W700. That is a mango. Join up at tradewithbruce.com, bro. That's good. Hey, the Browns just fired their head coach. Hell yeah. I don't give a damn, but yeah, they just fired their head coach. Now that is how you flip a L to a W. But I shouldn't have had to do that, y'all. I shouldn't have had to do that, right? I shouldn't have had to do that. Break even for me. Very glad for that. Hey, Terry, great job. I know you're at break even because you probably didn't scale in again like I did and up the risk, right? And that's beautiful, bro. As long as you're second. All right, so listen, here's my other risk management plan that I do in my head, right? If I lose a trade, let's say I'm down 400 and I take another trade and I'm plus 400, I have to get out, right? I either have to get out or I have to be aggressive. Oh shit, I have to be aggressive with trailing my stop loss at that 400 level. Cause now, okay, it pops up to 5. Okay, it pops up to 6. Now I'm net. It pops up to 7. Okay, now I'm net. Now I'm more net, more net, more net. Bink! Right? Versus just getting out. But sometimes it's best. Here's the thing. Cause how many times have you been down 400? Your next trade is up 400. It goes back to break even. And then you lose another 350. Now you're down 750. That fucks your head up. You're about to be in fuck it mode, and I promise you that account is gone. It's good as gone. Just like that. Got it? So that's my little thing. If I lose a trade, whatever my P&L is, I don't go big risk though. I don't always double my risk to get to that part, right? I double my risk to make money because I knew that bitch was going up. You know what I'm saying? I doubled my risk to make money because I knew that shit was going up, right? That's why I got out at take profit. If that was my second W trade of the day, I would have been trailing that bitch higher, 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 all the way up to current tick, and then beep, getting out. Got it? Because I know we're in this 5-minute order block, and at any time it can just boner candle down, 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 boner candle down. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, W day. That's 5 days in a row right now. Y'all know why though?
You know we don't miss. 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 Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
Hey Rodney, you in here? Rodney, you still in here? Alright, bet. You see, everybody go look at the chat. Since he want to be a fucking sore thumb, since he wants attention, this is first day back. Everybody go look at G-Money's fucking chat in the Zoom right now. I told everybody to put mango, but this motherfucker decided to put a fucking cantaloupe in the chat. What the hell is wrong with you, boy? Huh? So Rodney, get his ass out of here, bro. 7-day ban plus 2 days, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. This is the mango model, baby. This ain't no motherfucking cantaloupe, bitch.
I'm trying to be cool, but goddamn.
I thought it was state property.
State?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
State?
It ain't.
Hit the road, dude. This ain't no state property.
G-Money, hit the road, dude.
Hit the road, dude. This ain't no state property. This is private property.
The hell, the prosecutor gonna spell prosecution wrong.
This for G-Money.
Talking about? They gonna beat it.
Beat it.
Beat it. Beat it. They gonna
Look
beat
at Price, bro.
Beat it. They gonna what? They gonna beat it. Beat it.
Melons.
They gonna beat it.
Hey, he got melons on the top of his emoji. You freaky frog. You freaky ass. Hey, Gaston said.
Young boys, them young boys coming.
Hey, but now look, boom. Full violation of the 5-minute order block. Let's go, bro. Now, if I was still in this bitch, I would have still been trailing that bitch and holding it. Just for sure. Knowing that shit. So, great job. Great job. Great job, right? Price is price. Does the same shit. It's either going up or it's either going down. Got it? Figure out which way. Use risk management, right? Use my concepts, right? So, my 3 entry models, I have them written down right here, y'all. 2026 is the year of organization, bro. Professionalism, right? We're not taking no random ass setups just because you think it's going up. Just because you think it's going down. No. 3 entry models. Continuation order block. That's the classic. That's what this is. We think it's going to go up. We pull back to the order block to continue higher. It didn't happen. They popped up. They continue to the order. We pull back to the order block and we continue up. That's what happened, right? Second model. IFVG continuation, right? I have a continuation model for the order blocks and I have a continuation model for the IFVGs, right? At this very bottom of this move, there's an IFVG. Price came up, closed above. We could have entered here, stop loss above, and still been holding the same exact trade, right? IFVGs. And I told you here, when this IFVG closes over, right, that's a great sign. This candle closed above, confirmation candle was right here. You could have entered another long or original long here. Stop loss right up under. IFVG continuation for the drawn liquidity 1, the drawn liquidity 2 at the top of this order block. Got it? That's my second model. My third model is the mango model, baby. The fucking mango! So today, we didn't enter this because of the order block because we was already in, right? We entered this because it was a mango, a failed order block, right? If you drag this all the way over, right? If you drag, can you show me how to do a trailing stop? Yes, 1 second. So this was a mango, right? Because we were in this order block. We rejected. We came into the order block. We failed it. When the order block fails, that's now a mango. And then we enter stop loss either under the order block, under the swing low, or, and then you target the drawn liquidity 1 or the drawn liquidity 2. Drawn liquidity 3 could be happening soon. Or you can do like internal draws on liquidity is this little swing high right here. Then the next drawn liquidity will be the full actual move. That's how you're going to get into these trades, right? First step is continuation OB. not step. It's just models to get in, right? If it's not these models, I'm not getting in. Do you understand? I have a system now that high win rate, high probability. I shouldn't be losing if I'm taking these models, right? And all these models have a real reason on why they should work. Order blocks, because price popped up. That's the very bottom of the supply and demand. Price comes back to it. The buyers protect their order. That's why price pops up without clearing that low. IFVG, buyers came in. They stepped in with speed. They stepped in with volatility. They stepped in with volume. That created a gap in price. That gap disrespected for when, all right, so this gap was a bearish gap for it to go down, right? But what happened? It failed, meaning sellers aren't in control no more. Now buyers are starting to step in because the sellers failed, and then boom, you go hard and it pops up. These trades usually happen fast. Like, it's gonna look just like this. Green candles in a row. This is what these bitches look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candles straight. 7-minute trade straight. These how these trades are gonna set up. Third is the mango model, right? And all these kind of go together. A mango model is a failed order block. So if I'm order block trading one direction and it fails and violates, oh, we're probably not going fucking down no more. That's called a mango, and we go the other way. Target the draw on liquidity. Got it? Nicole, here's how. Would you short now? No. All right. Didn't I just say you only want to enter for a model? For a model. If you don't have a model, you shouldn't be looking for no trade. You can be looking for a trade for your model, right? Wasn't I waiting on my mango model for a long time? Wasn't I waiting on it? And then it happened, and then I cashed out. Oh, I didn't take it. But we was up, right? I didn't take it. Then you wait on the model, you enter it, you enter it, stop loss set, and then you just wait on it, right? It's so right now, if you want to go short, you don't have a reason to short because we're popping up, we're holding these IFVGs. So what is this gap right here? Before it even happens, I'm gonna tell it to you before it happens. This is a gap, right? A FVG. So people think price is gonna come into here and then continue higher. If that doesn't happen and the candle closes outside of this gap, that is an IFVG for a short. That could give you a reason for your sell. You sell it, stop loss above. But I told y'all Friday, I do not recommend you looking for an IFVG if it's not trend direction. I only take IFVGs in trend direction. Because it's a what? Continuation model. My only reversal model is a mango. Right? So if you want to go, watch it paint. Watch. It's about to paint. See that? Boom. It painted. Before I even fucking drew it. I mean, I drew it first. Before it, you get, fuck, I can't talk. I drew it before it happened because I can see it with my eyes, right? So boom. IFVG is loading. So it could be a short and that could start price to come down. But in a trend, a trend direction up, we don't know how long it's going to go down. It can just grab these lows and then IFVG back up and then continue trend direction. So I would only focus on longs to continue higher for the next drawn liquidity or the next target, which will be the maybe 5-minute order block. Got it? Trend is your friend. Got it? So Nicole, right? All right, let me give it to you. Let me give it to you. All right, current price though, right now, if I had the continuation model, would be an order block right now. Got it? So I wouldn't be looking for shorts if we're fucking in an uptrend, right? I'm not cussing at you. I'm just cussing. Got it? So 1-minute order block would be my continuation model if I think price is going to continue higher out of this 5-minute order block. Got it? You would enter here, stop loss up under, and push higher. But that's probably not a trade that, I mean, specifically I would take, just especially after a big runner. Like, y'all, after you take profit, give it a break. It's probably not going to be another nice setup, maybe for another 30 minutes, you know what I'm saying, to an hour. I can't put a time on it, but you get what I'm saying? Just because you close, all right, here we go. Just because you close profits doesn't mean start looking for another trade. I want you to think what's next. Yes, what's next? That don't mean rush into a trade though. You know what I'm saying? So your mindset shouldn't be, okay, boom, should I look for shorts now? Boom, should I be looking for longs or re-entry? Boom, you know what I'm saying? Like, give it some space, bro. It'll be clear. Trust, it'll be clear. Just vibe. And honestly, you should be done. I don't know how much you up and shit, but after a trading day like that, bro, you should just take a break and be done. Or be done for the day. Just be done, bro. Be professional. Let's be professional. Got it? So, trailing stop loss. All right, let's say I'm in a sale right. Let's say I'm in a sale right here. I sold it. Red. I sold it. Boom. And my trailing stop is going to be, let's do a green, right? So, here's how to trail my stop. Well, I can't really, but you get what I'm saying. So, all right, so boom. My sell is right here. I literally sold it. Top tick. I sold it. My stop loss is here, Nicole, right? I sold it. My stop loss is here, right? Boom. I just went to break even. You drag it. That's it. You literally drag it. It's kind of, all right, let me give you a better example. Maybe we can do it like this. So we can go buy take profit, buy stop loss. We're in profit, right? So boom, we get in, activated, price is popping up. All right, let me enter it because it won't do nothing. All right, so boom. So boom, real example. Price is oh yeah, damn, popping up. So 1 minute order block continuation is popping up. Got it? So boom, if we were in a buy, in profit, pushing up, right? Boom, I would go to break even. Bink. Now we're at break even, right? Meaning if price comes down, my stop loss is before my entry, right? Boom, it pops up some more. Boom, we popping up. Pops up some more. Boom, we popping up. Pops up some more. Boom, we popping up. Boom, popping up, and then boom, the next push will hit our target. Got it? So it's literally just that. If our target is all the way up here, we're just literally dragging our stop loss. That's it. That's it. Dragging our stop loss. Got it? So yeah, model number 1, first model all day. My 91% win rate over in 2025 over 250 trades, 250 trading days. Never had one losing trade in a row. I was taking order blocks only. But sometimes we would get cooked because I would just be chasing price, shit like that. So I had to kind of discover the mango model, because I would sell this, take a loss, and then be like, fuck. And then I'll take this 1 minute order block and then lose, and I'll be like, fuck. Then I'll take this 5 minute order block and then lose, and I'll be like, fuck. All right, bye y'all. See y'all tomorrow. 0-3. Right? Now, I changed my mind, changed my mindset. I'm not really looking for continuation until it gives me that. Right? So if it comes to this order block and fail, I'm not immediately taking the first order block I see. Because I would rather take a mango than a continuation order block, especially on the 5 minute. Right? So at this level, bink at right here, I want to see what happens. Right? And then what happens? Price popped up, popped up, popped up. Okay, bet. We're not holding this. So I should look for a mango, because if we're not holding it to go down, no sellers are holding this level. Right? Because if price push down hard as fuck, sellers should control and push and protect this level to go lower. If that doesn't happen, no sellers are in control. Buyers step in at the top, and that's where price goes parabolic. Got it? So yeah, man, W day, a beautiful trade. Should have been 2-2, so I'll get better on my part. That's on me. But we still was able to flip over and make profits today. W day, just like Rodney says, we ate our mangoes before 10 o'clock. If you want to trade live with us, join up at tradewithbruce.com. The goal is to scale up and have 5 accounts, y'all. So everybody go to takeprofittrader.com. Use code BW for the best discount. 40% off. No activation fees. Unlimited daily payouts. A 50K account is only $102 one time. Right? I say one time because you're either going to pass it within 30 days or you're either going to blow it within 30 days. Got it? To be real with you. Got it? So that's kind of why I say it's a one-time fee, because there's no activations. Got it? So use code BW for the best discount. Let's get it, bro. Beautiful day. and price did that order block continuation, made new highs. We got our grab. Now we have our IFVG. So it's possible if a person wants to go short, this wouldn't be bad. Target 1 here. Target 2 would be back to this high, because price can do what? Price can break and retest this level and then go higher. Got it? So a little shit like that, man. Just know your shit, plan your shit, and do the plan. You know what I'm saying?
Everybody wants to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Chuck, it's not Bruce Key, it's Brewski. If you're gonna fucking say it right, bro. Bruceski. Brewski. Brewski. From Brewski. But alright, man, let's get out of here. Guess what, y'all? Didn't know how to spell it. No, you're good. I know you did. I'm just fucking with you. But now you do, though. I'm here to teach you. I'm here to learn you. I'm gonna learn you. Alright, but listen, man. Tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern, same time. Let's get it. Guess what? I trade all my take profit trader accounts during Asia. So, they're all green, $600 each. Did that last night during Asia. Then I come on here and trade with y'all in the morning. After that, I don't look at the charts. I'm done. I'm about to go work out. I'm about to go hit my walk. I'm about to go break my fast real quick. I'm about to go take my vitamins, take my supplements. You know what I'm saying? Because I know I'm on a journey. I'm down 85 pounds type shit. I've been bullshitting the last like 30, 60 days. So I'm back locked in. You know what I'm saying? Are you trading Asia live tonight? Nicole, we do not trade Asia. Asia is my personal time. But I am promoting it. I have a Telegram where I will soon be doing Asia. It'll be a separate fee. It'll be different from New York. It'll be a separate fee. Some people can trade with me during Asia. Some people can trade with me during New York. Some people can trade both. Got it? Your choice. Separate fee. Is not available now. Whenever I decide the price, whenever I decide the days of the week, whenever I decide the time of day, that's when I'll drop all the details in the Telegram. In that Telegram will be the first people to know when I start trading live in Asia. I'm going to drop a payment link. I'm going to drop all the details in there. And then the people just going to come in. I'm going to make a separate group on the Discord. It's going to be for Asia session only. That's where I'll drop the Zoom link for Asia session. We cash out and we go to fucking bed. That'll be Asia session. Chuck says he's ready when you launch it. Let's get it. We got about, I think, 350 people in that group. At least 370 maybe. 360, 320, 350. We got 300 people interested in Asia session. So, when I'm ready to launch, be ready in that Telegram. Got it? If you want the Telegram link, just message me. Got it? So yeah, man, let's get it, bro. Beautiful day. And once again, we're done before 9:30. Alright, man. First day amazing. Nicole, go put all that shit in the Discord. First day amazing. Put your WPNL. Mango model is the real deal. I just saw Bruce trade it live. 2 setups, 2 W's. 2 setups, 2 W's. Of course, I didn't close the W, but we was in profit. Got it? Chris Bennett, this is your first day too, man. Let's get it. Hey, this is for my new people right here.
Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party.
Good energy, good people, good vibes, good trades, good profits, good energy, good money every single morning. TradeWithBruce.com. Join up. It's only $150 a month. If you know, bro, if you break that down, 150 a month times 20 trading days a month, 150 divided by 20. Y'all know y'all are only paying $7.50 per day to trade with me. Like, y'all only pay $7.50 to be on session today. Like, my subscription is honestly so fucking cheap. Honestly, it really is. It's dirt cheap. For the value I give, for the consistency I have, this shit is dirt cheap. But I ain't tripping on that, right? I'm here for the masses. I want to help the masses, right? That's why sometimes I drop it to 100. And that's literally $5 per day, right? But it ain't about the money for me. It's about my impact. Got it? I'm making money. Got it? It's about my impact. Helping y'all so I can have good testimonials so we can all grow together. That's it. That's it, y'all. So let's do it tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern. Let's fucking go, boys.